Hello friends, this is Dave and it's the 2nd of September. I'm out at Marietta Landing and I was going to do a quick video on their upgrades. Tent loop's going to be, looks like this way. It's in a cove, and so it's really nice. Now, they have been putting a lot of money back into the lake, so the new bathrooms and showers. So, but the best part is they redid the RV loop. Excuse me while I'm having dog technical walking a dog while I'm doing this, but they have really, I think, made it really super nice. And what they've done is what they've done is, to me, is made it to where everybody can camp no matter what, because they put in some really nice handicap spots that, you know, if you had mobility problems, or you were having problems maybe in a wheelchair, they do have these nice spots that come here, get off of there. And as you can see, marked handicap. Not sure if they're extra, I don't know, but nice big pad. Water, electric, and looks like sewer, as you can see right there. And they've really cleared out a lot of these trees and made more spots, or brush. So what they've done is it's all level, so if nice picnic tables and nice fire pits, so everybody can enjoy it. So now, the other day I came out to take a video and didn't quite turn out, and there was nobody out here camping, and now there's some people. I don't know if the whole thing's open, or I asked a ranger if it was when it was going to open. He didn't know, but apparently. But shoot, these are nice spots. Very pretty through here. Now, it's in a cove, so it does have a boat ramp, and if you don't know where Lake Murray is, it's in Oklahoma, outside of Ardmore. Now this one, okay, yeah, there is sewer. When I was here last time, I didn't see how if it's not in a handicap spot, then the fire rings off of the concrete. So, but as you can see, very pretty through there, and it's pretty private, pretty far apart. Very nice afternoon. I can't believe it's September. I hope everybody's staying healthy and has had a great summer. And but here's just a couple of the spots. Won't make this really super long, but there's a lot open for Labor Day weekend, I think, for it to be totally open. So I'm not sure how they're doing it. So it's my dog down here. This is who's tugging at this is a different dog. My boxer passed away, and looks like there are some people coming in now. And I waited like a month. I didn't really want to get another dog, and then I thought if I did, I would want something out of a shelter, so that's what I got. I went down in Oklahoma City Animal Shelter. Everybody's driving down. And I got this older female. So she's doing good. Finally accepting my cat. But it sure was hard losing my dog. Now I'm gonna be it looks like some, I'm not sure what that is, but everybody needs to get out and explore, see something new, and get some exercise and forget about this dang COVID crap. So tired of it. So see, there's some, you can get some pretty good sized trailers in here, really. Before, you'd have to have something very short. And I was gonna go show you one. It's right on the lake. Now they're charging $8 just to park out here now to pay for all the upgrades. I think it's $39 to just camp if you have sewer. So some don't, so but it looks like everybody, oh, somebody's in that spot I was gonna walk to, but I'm gonna navigate around people trying to come in. I guess everybody's, what's yeah, Thursday, so that's one reason you're not a lot of people. But I was wondering when they were going to open it up. Looks like to me it hadn't been opened up very dang well. Looks like people have been barbecuing and stuff. So anyway, I'm almost there to the lake to show you what all it looks like. So see if I can get out here real quick and without bugging anybody. But it's on a cove, and I'll show you. Like a good night to show you. This is in Oklahoma. I know there's a Lake Murray somewhere else, but here's what she looks like. Very nice. See if I can get down here without falling in. Get me in shape one way or the next. I got way out of shape. So, goes back in there. Around there is the regular part of the lake, and then boat ramps on the other side of these bushes. So, anyway, hope you all come out and check out Lake Murray, and definitely check out the upgrades at Marietta Landing and all the upgrades they've done. They've got a new marina, and so yeah, Lake Murray, Ardmore, Oklahoma. Thanks for watching. Bye.